Good morning, everybody, or evening as the case may be, wherever you are. So I'm going to try to make this really quick, only because I'm a teacher first, and remote viewing is already difficult to learn because it's so unfamiliar for most people, and it's an abstract process. It's a kind of a combination between a science and an art, and I don't like things being more confused than they need to be. So I have to say, after watching for over a year and a half, the future forecasting group and what they're doing, I like all these guys. I like Dick Argyle, I like Daz Smith, I like Naeem, I like the guys who are doing this. I think they're skilled. However, they're skilled in the actual technical process of remote viewing with a pen and paper. And that's a little bit different than the other two parts of remote viewing. The first one is setting up the problem. You have to ask the right question. The last one, the third part, is analyzing the data, making practical sense of the information you've gotten. I have watched the future forecasting group fumble this for at least a year and a half. One in particular sticks out where one of the viewers, Dennis, I believe is his first name, cues up looking at the Oracle of Delphi, which operated for 1,200 years, from 800 BC in some form to 400 AD, a 1,200-year swath. And the way he asked the question, he queued it up so that the viewers were looking at that entire timeline. Now, we got to realize we're using a psychic function here, and we can get some information that pertains to a target. But if we want to get anything workable, that's a problem you're going to have to break down and look at probably several different times. That's a project, over several different months, looking at different times and hopefully specific instances of the Oracle of Delphi operating to see what was going on there. Was it all a show? Was there actual psychic stuff going on? How did it work? You have to break it down. We human beings, we want these blanket answers. And sure, the viewers got information that pertained to the process of what was going on, but it would have been far more productive to look at a specific instance of the PThat, the Oracle, actually operating, than to spread it over a 1,200-year period. Completely ridiculous. We need to break the problems down and make them smaller. So I'm sorry, I can't support the future forecasting group, even though I like the guys. Procedurally speaking, they're asking the wrong questions. Completely counterproductive.